Okay, so today is Sunday, November 25th, 2018, about 9 o'clock in the morning, and we are back at Carlsbad Caverns as we were here 11 months ago. But here you can see is the natural entrance, and that there will tell you a little bit about it. You can see a little bit of it down through there. This is a path to walk down to it, and this is the bat amphitheater, where in the summer, obviously, apparently bats fly out of here, and then you can see them. But as we walk down through this, you can see all the prickly pear. Down there's the big entrance down there. So, I'll walk all the way down and show you this in fast speed. First glimpse. Just getting that big opening from down here. Okay. Great big hole down there. We're walking down through there. Come through this little cave opening. Too much to see there. Alright, so from here we're way down the cave, and that's the opening there. See how bright that is? See how dark it is, the way we're going to be going. And right behind us, you can see at least some of this stuff here. Alright, here's the first real room that we enter. See all the stalactites up there. And then this column over here, and then a stalagmite over there across this little bit of water. I'll show you that right quick. It's a reflection of the water in here, and right there's what I'm talking about. And there's that column. Pretty cool stalactites, right? They're like little straws over there, and these guys all back here. Alright, pretty cool. Let's keep going. Okay, so this is called the Devil's Spring. So you can see that there. Okay, so here, you see that sign is the whale's mouth. Right there. World famous. And look at all that stuff up there. Pretty cool. Then look at this stuff right here. Then we descend all the way down. Have a little bit more up there. Hopefully you can see that. So that kind of almost like angel wings to me. This rock. You see all those things down there lit up. We'll keep going. I'll show you real quick what we've been looking at. It's all up there. This one up here. Hard to see my finger, but the shadow looks like a great horned owl on the wall up there. And there's more stuff over here to the left. Pretty neat there. Like the formations on those things. Right there. So definitely very neat. A little bit down there. Yeah, that's where I started. Or, well, no, not the upper one, no. Yeah. She's talking about that one right there where my finger's flicking right now. Let's go down here and look at these big stalagmites down here. Oh, and then there's a lot more of this. These things that almost look like icicles.
Goes up high.
Yeah, it goes up very high. Probably 100 feet, 80 feet at least, I would guess. Yeah, those way up there, if you can see those. She's talking about hanging down the ceiling. Alright, and then we'll just get this other stalagmite here. You see, here's a short one right here. But then there's this one. And it goes up, I'd say, 20 feet at least, maybe 25. So that's pretty neat. And there's a little one right over here. You can see they got it lit up. And then look at that right down there in the middle. Pretty neat, and that one up there. Alright, so just more darkness to go. We'll come back in a minute. Here, we're in the Green Lake room. This is just an overview of it. So stalactites there. Then we just walk down the dark here. Alright, so you can see here speleothems. And here you go, some up close. This is just more of that room I just showed you the overview of. It's just closer. Awesome. It's going down through here. Popcorn ceiling right here. Look at this stuff. How wild looking is that? More up here. It's darker, but right here. If that can come through, I don't know if it can or not. Pretty dark. Ain't that wild? Okay, we've just entered the big room. And so, just want to give you an overview of it. You can see this little area right in here. A lot of popcorn stuff there, but I doubt you can see it. It looks awful dark on this camera. We're heading that way, down to all that stuff, so we'll get that closer. When we come back out, we'll be seeing all that stuff over there. So we'll get closer views of that. And right through there will be the out of the big room. Get some of these stalactites up here. You can see. And let's go right here. Get just what looks like a bunch of little castles or something. Pretty cool looking. Check that out. Is that nice to just go right all around? So there you go. I think that's a cool view. And then right behind me, you can see is a sign that says the big room. And it says you are now in the big room, the largest known natural limestone chamber in the Western Hemisphere. Floor space in this big room is estimated at more than 600,000 square feet, an area comparable to 14 football fields. In the big room, you can view dramatic stalactites, stalagmites, columns, and other speleothems from a variety of angles. So we'll get busy with some of this. All right, so here's the next big stop. See, hopefully this stuff right here, how that goes way back in there. And then got all these nice little icicle looking things here, and then this big column with the great big icicles there. So pretty neat. Some up close and personal stuff here. Some more like popcorn, like we saw earlier. Then just walk down the trail and you can see some of this stuff over here. This stuff down here. There's the speleothems again that we'd seen the sign earlier on those. But those are pretty neat. And then wow, the way this opens up. Check this view out. Isn't that neat? I like it. Alright, so we'll get closer to these things right here. You can see it looks like a great big sword right there. It comes down, almost touches right there. I'll look back at this some of the stuff over here. Pretty cool. Alright, we'll keep going for the next thing here. Okay, I don't know if you can see these two things here. They probably look pretty dark on this camera, but I can see them, but they're right here, right beside the trail. And of course, we got these guys right here. Pretty neat. Wow, look at this guy hanging up here. Lion's tail, that's right, I remember this from last year. So That is lying still right overhead. And I can see that. It does look like one, actually. More of this over here. Oh, yeah, look at these big guys up here. Great big columns. Stalactites up there. Oh, and this is called Hall of Giants, what I just showed you, actually. So you can see Hall of Giants, and that's the two guys right there. And they are giant. That guy there is no little fella himself. You see all the stalactites hanging down from there. Definitely a lot of interest in this room for sure. More of the popcorn stuff here. You can see some of it right there. Water dripping. Little tiny stalactites all up on that ceiling. More of the growing columns there. Look at all this stuff. Is that neat or what? And then down here, I guess it's called Fairyland if I remember right. Yeah, here we go. There's a sign right there. Popcorn cover stalagmites, Fairyland. Look at this. Start back this way. Just slowly show you all through here. Hey, this is Fairyland down here. There's a sign.
Look at the little spikes.
Yeah, just talking about those up there. And all through that ceiling as far as that. I mean, there's absolutely a ton of them. Some stuff off to the right side. Get anything good? No doubt about that. Hand holding's a pain. Alright, so pretty neat column back in there. And right here, this would be a column as well. All them stalactites up there. How cool is that? Then we got this Temple of the Sun. Look at the sign. Columns, stalagmites, and stalactites. Temple of the Sun. Right there. That's pretty cool. Then we can walk right back in here. Talking about cavern pools. So I don't see any. This just gives you a little different view of some of the stuff back in here. This is looking back towards Fairyland in there. Just so you know. Alright. Pretty cool. We'll keep going on and see what we can see.